Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the data extraction using macro. Let's understand the objectives. The first and the main objective is to extract the data from the target element. Next is requirements. For that we will need first links and HTML class name and then VBA code. So let's see how it works. Thank you. Here is the example data. As you can see, in column A, some part numbers are there, and in column B, some links are there. Now we are going to extract the information using these links. So let's move to the next part. For this tutorial, I am going to use this website to extract the information. Let's focus on the target elements. So my target element is this, and I'm going to extract this information into my file. So for that we will need a class name. So to get the class name, highlight the data and go to the inspect view. So let's move the cursor until the whole data gets selected. So this is the class name which I am going to use to extract the information. So for time being, I am already pasted this class name into my code. So let's move to the next part. Now let's run the code. To run the code, we will go to the developer tab under the Visual Basic. As you can see, I have already pasted the code. You can find this code in the description of this video. So I am going to run this code. Before that, we need to create the sheet 2 because the result we are going to get will come in sheet 2. So as you can see, after running this code, our data is ready in sheet 2. Thank you for watching.